It's Friday, March 30th, and it's day 8. It's also Good Friday. I'm Selah.
And I'm Mina, and here are your morning announcements. This morning, there will be an upper primary assembly led by 4E.
April is Poetry Month. Spot the Poem event will take place April 2nd to April 13th. Each day of the week, a new poem will appear on the school grounds. On Fridays, any class that has recorded the location, title, and author of all 5 of the week poems will be eligible to receive a class prize. Details can be found on MyISHCMC.
Next week, bring your book donations to your classroom for PTO book sale. Proceeds will go to Library of Love, 2016 Grade 10 Personal Project Charity. Students will receive a free book voucher every 5 books they donate and can compete to win a class pizza party, ice cream sundae party, or a chocolate cake party. There will be a primary school bookmark design contest again this year.
Chess tournament is now happening in the library during break times. Take part and move your name up the ladder.
Today is the last day of the charity drive. Books, toys, clothes, and other non-perishable products are accepted for charity. Please leave in boxes by the Rhino Hut.
Next week, moving forward, primary lunch times will be changing. KG to grade 2 will eat at 12:20 to 12:40 p.m. and grades 3 to 5 at 12:45 to 1:05 p.m.
This is a reminder that to bring your recyclable paper to KG.
Make your spaces open to grades 1, 2, and 3 today on morning recess. Remember to bring in bottles and plastic for the plastic bricking project.
Joke of the day. How does the Easter Bunny stay fit? How? Exercise.
Random fact of the day. 59% of people eat the ears off the chocolate bunny first.
The mindfulness quote of the day is, where there is no struggle, there is no strength. Oprah Winfrey.
That's it for today's morning announcements. Have a good Friday.